418s.
418.
And a big box, big ratio. I built it in the vehicle.
Really?
Yeah. Just
yeah.
2x6s, shelled, and 1 layer of merch.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's a 4th-order big ratio, so it doesn't do as well.
Right.
So it's better
to have one window up.
Yeah, the tap out.
Mine sounds better with the window or the door open, window closed on one side.
Yeah.
But some songs are good with the windows up, both.
It just depends. It just depends on the tone.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to hear it? Come on, man. Yeah, shut it. All right. I haven't clipped them once.
Like your tank is fucking hot on your inside.
I didn't get to see you in person, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you should have been me getting it, bro.
Yes, sir.
I had a duck.
So here we go.
I'm gonna hold that door. Told you, 5 seconds, I told you. I called it.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Get in. You're a sissy.
Come here.
I need to make a sticker for the door.
Yeah, just see everyone down here.
Oh, yeah?
There's the windshield.
Does the handle? Everybody has the handle.
Yeah, I didn't realize you
Start.
Huh? Yeah.
start.
Make that go off.
Made it go off.
I was like this, I was like,
That's the first time that's happened.
Sorry. Yeah, that was about it anyway. I'll give you one more.
It's not like
fucking nasty, ain't it? Alright, I gotta go check my idle out, my shit running. Steel drop down pin.
Alright, windows up. I have to put window up, it's louder.
Obviously.
Little driver point here. I don't know. Alright, let's see. It pulls the nose and stop everything out.
Yo, that is nasty. Props, man. That
Thank you.
is brutal.
Thank you. And it's like cheap Brazilian, just more, it won't hold my head so close to the ceiling.
I can't feel the pressure on this side of my head.
Sorry. So that's about 2 dB louder than last time. And it's Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, everything.
All that. Hell yeah, hey man, thanks for the demo, dog. Good luck, man. Hell yeah, keep up the good work.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you. Lift to get out.
Yeah, look right there. Thank you.
3 layers that help keep the pressure in.
Yeah, for sure. Hey man, this is hard. No, you can't handle this, kiddo. This is a lot. Yo, that's what's up, dog. Hey man, hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow. That shit got pressed. Keep it open.
Yeah, keep it open.
Oh my god. Yo, I used to hold it in the store.
All right, you ready? It makes me sneeze, I'm sorry. 48, 49.
Hey, your amp is pretty cool as well.
They are?
Yeah. And it drops to 11.8 when I go up almost all the way.
It's still good, man.
It is?
It's barely warm at all.
Thanks for coming here. It'll play the lows too. Yeah, real quick. Yeah. I need to let it cool some boots a little more.
Go get in.
I like it.
Get in.
But I get in.
Go see.
I'm good. Call me pussy all you want.
I'm gonna tell everybody you can get a
That's
different
fine.
truck.
I don't want to. I say good. It is. This is my frequency at like the low end. 27.
You're right. You always go down.
Sorry about your seat. I feel bad.
Oh, you're so fucked. It's not even funny.
Alright, what else do I need to do to get loud?
It's a little shorter. Your head's not as close to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Bro, it's way louder than last time.
Made me cough. Not a lot of bells make me cough.
That's what I was joking about.
Thanks for coming here, man.
Feel not hearing.
Yeah. Like anybody's got
Ow.
it needs a sex order.
It helps keep the pressure in.
This low's better.
Yeah.
FIs don't like fourth orders.
No, neither do depth pumps. Everybody's put depth pumps in fourth orders. They wonder why the triple pressure. They fucking hate fourth orders. They don't think anything is still.
It's a fourth order.
Oh my lord!
I was like, how is he doing
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.